Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 264. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser, and then if you're using Chrome, on the top right you should see three little dots here. Press on that, go to settings, and once you're here, then go to privacy and security, and then go to cookies and other site data. Then scroll down until you see all site data permissions. And here just need to write Roblox and basically delete all the cookies related to Roblox. And after you've done that, then you need to go to your desktop here and then just press Windows and R key, and you should get this run pop-up here. And what you need to do here is to write %sign local app data %sign. And once you do that, then this window will show up. And here you need to look for temp folder. You need to press on that, and then you need to look for Roblox folder, and you need to delete this folder here. Right, just the cookies. It won't affect your game files. And after you delete this, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to locate your Roblox player on your desktop or on search, and then right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and press this run this program as administrator, apply. Okay, and the problem should be fixed. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can open up command prompt and run as administrator, and here you need to enter a few codes here. So the first one is ipconfig/flush DNS, and then another one is nesh winsock reset, and another one is nesh int ip reset. And after you've done this, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And another thing, if the problem persists, what you can do here, you can change your DNS addresses. To do so, you need to just go to, on the bottom right corner, you should see network icon here. So right click on it, go to open network and internet settings. And here you need to press on change adapter options here. And then go to properties here, and then internet protocol version 4. And here you need to press use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server just write 8.8.4.4, and then press OK and look if you have the problem. And if the problem persists, then the last thing that you can do here, you can basically you need to uninstall Roblox player and then install it again. So maybe your Roblox player have some corrupted files. So you need to go to apps and features, and then you need to search here Roblox and uninstall the player by pressing uninstall. And if you want to install it again, you need to go to your browser, you need to go to Roblox, and then enter whatever game you like here, and it will install Roblox player automatically to your computer. Right, so that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.